I invite you to open up your minds and hearts as we explore the law of assumption and its potential to reshape your reality. The law of assumption states that your reality is shaped by your beliefs, thoughts, and assumptions about yourself and the world around you. By changing your assumptions and adopting the mindset of the person you want to become or the reality you want to live in, you're more likely to manifest those desired outcomes. Now let's begin by closing our eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of any doubts or limitations that may be holding you back. Now I want you to imagine your ideal self. Picture yourself as the person you've always dreamed of becoming. What does your life look like? Where are you living? How do you feel? What are you doing every day? What kind of relationships will you have? As you visualize this version of yourself, notice the belief and assumptions that come up. Pay attention to any self-doubt or limiting beliefs that may arise. Acknowledge them and then gently let them go. With this new image of yourself inside your head, I want you to start believing that you are already that person. Embrace the mindset of your ideal self and start living as if your dreams have already come true. It's time to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions for this new state of being. Consider the habits or routines of your ideal self. What time of day will you wake up? How will you spend your days? What kind of people will you surround yourself with? What kind of decisions will you be making? As you continue to visualize and embody this version of yourself, you'll notice that your reality begins to shift. Opportunities once seemed out of reach will appear within your grasp. People who resonate with your new state of being will start to enter your life. You'll find yourself making decisions and taking actions that move you closer to your dreams. The law of assumption is not about wishful thinking or daydreaming. It's about believing with unwavering conviction that you are already that person you want to be, and then living your life in accordance with that belief. So ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to embrace this law of assumption in your own lives. Visualize your ideal self. Believe in your power to become that person. Align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired state of being. And as you do this, you'll unlock your true potential and create the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, you have the power within you to shape your reality. All you need to do is believe, assume, and align. Checkmate. Checkmate. Checkmate.